Welcome to Teen Girls Home Spa, your very own manual to creating the perfect home self-care experience. In this book, you will learn just exactly how you can create a nature-based skincare routine and also make your very own mask recipes. Skincare routines are an important part of self-care, and you will find that making your own skincare products with all natural materials you can source readily is easier and more satisfying than you think. Once you get started, you won't stop. Make your own living skincare. I'm Dr. Lin, board-certified dermatologist and founder of Dr.TWL Dermaceuticals, one of Asia's leading cosmeceutical skincare brands. In this book, we will delve into the science of teenage skin. I'll also be sharing my facial code for teens. Teen Girls Home Spa Secrets is a one-of-a-kind beauty handbook created especially for teen girls and all girls at heart. Learn how to make all-natural exfoliating jelly and gel-based face masks at home. The guidebook comes with full recipes and step-by-step formulation guides. In this book, I'll take you through the ideal DIY home facial. You'll also learn the science of rebalancing skin from the inside out. Learn all about healthy lifestyle-based interventions. I'll also teach you how to make your very own homemade jelly mask formula. Skincare routines are an important aspect of self-care, one that encompasses the mind, body, and soul. Nature herself has endowed us with a wealth of living skincare, with precious resources that can benefit our health holistically. This book is written as an evidence-based guide to freshly made skincare products at home, which are as effective as they are gentle on all skin types.